Hello guys, in today's video I will unboxing silver play button that I received from YouTube. I hope you will like this video. Thank you to you all for help me and support me. If you want to see India tour, video comment here and I will upload soon. This is the gift that I received from YouTube. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Firstly, we see documents regarding to silver play button. Here is the silver play that we deserve and we got. I hope you will like this video and share this video. That's all guys, see you in the next video.